Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to fix the Roblox error. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings. Now this is a very easy fix and a common problem in Roblox. So let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your browser that you're using. Now simply open up Roblox, type in Roblox, and from here go to the official Roblox application or website. Now what we will do next is log into our existing accounts, and the error is fixed inside your settings. So go to the cogwheel in the top right corner, open it up and go to the settings. Now once you're in these settings, you have to go to the security tab. Now here we're looking for the privacy tab, and here you can see that the account restrictions are disabled. Now this should be turned off. This is very important. Now here, as you can see, the communication and the other options are set to no one. Now make sure that the communication is set to the default and type in the PIN that is from the parenting control. Now here, who can message me, simply set this to everyone, set this to friends, and set this to everyone. So make sure that all of this is turned to these settings. This is very important. Now from here, all we're going to do is go to the parenting controls. Now make sure that the allowed experiences right here to join all the games in Roblox is set to 13 plus or 17 plus. So simply select it. Now this will ask you to get a parenting control pin. Simply put it in, and from there you can access these settings. Now if this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.